Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful fruit salad without any cooking. This recipe is perfect for a quick snack or a refreshing dessert. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients. You'll need about 5 to 6 different types of fruit, ensuring a good mix of colors and flavors. This simple approach guarantees a delicious and healthy treat for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's get our fruits ready. First, wash everything very well to remove any dirt or residues. Then, for fruits like oranges or bananas, gently peel away their outer layers. Next, using a sharp knife, carefully cut your larger fruits, such as melons or pineapples, into small, manageable pieces. Aim for pieces roughly 1 inch in size so every bite is perfect. Safety first when using your knife. With all your fruits prepared, it's time to bring them together. Carefully place all the colorful pieces into your large mixing bowl. For a simple, bright dressing, squeeze the juice from 1 fresh lime over the fruit and drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of honey. This adds a lovely sweetness and tang. Gently toss everything to coat evenly. A sprinkle of fresh mint leaves will elevate both the aroma and presentation. To fully enjoy your delicious creation, it's best to chill the fruit salad for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing experience. You can serve it in individual portions or present it on a large platter for a crowd. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 2 days, ready for another delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.